Hello and welcome to YggdrasilAI's Thor operating system. What if you could run a whole computer without ever touching it? Well, that's what ThorOS is all about. You operate it entirely by your voice, and the AI runs here on the machine locally, private, no big tech, no clouds, no accounts, no fees, nothing. But, of course, you can use a large LLM from the cloud if you want. There's no stopping you with that. If your PC can't download and continuously run a larger or better LLM on its own. So you can always connect to the cloud to run the LLMs if you want. But the really big thing that drives the project, almost all software is built for people who can use the keyboard and the mouse. Millions of people can't. And also, a lot of people don't really have time to sit and type and find programs and stuff like that. So people with severe arthritis or injuries or no use of their hands at all, they can actually use Thor operating system like a normal person. You can do everything that you can on a regular PC. You can research, you can read, you can surf the internet, you can do file operations, copy files, delete files, remove files, anything you can plan, you can do on the Thor operating system. So I'm just going to run through a couple of quick commands to show you exactly what you can do with some really fast commands to, I call it Jarvis. You can call it whatever you want. Oh, he's probably going to answer right now. But you can name him anything you want. It doesn't matter. He doesn't recognize other people's talk and stuff like that, only when you call on him. So, and you don't have to say, hey Jarvis, but, hey Jarvis, can you open a terminal window, please?
Opening terminal.
Hey Jarvis, can you list the files in that directory?
Run ls.
Create a folder called test.
Created test.
All right, so here's the thing. Because of my Swedish dialect, he doesn't really understand when I'm saying special directories like Yggdrasil sandbox. So I'm still working on the voice function for it.
I
So we can.
see. It sounds like there might be some communication challenges. Maybe we can find a way to bridge the language gap together.
So I'm still working on that. So if we list the Yggdrasil directory, you can see that it created the test directory. I can also delete it by saying, Jarvis,
Sure, I'm here. What do you need?
remove the test directory.
File.delete test requires authorization. Say authorize 0093.
Authorize 0093.
Deleted test.
And as you can see, it's gone. Jarvis, close terminal window.
I see it's gone. Would you like me to do something about it?
No, close terminal window.
Ran exit.
Jarvis, What's the Bitcoin price today?
Bitcoin's current price is $60,471, up 0.9% in the last 24 hours but down 5.2% over the past week. The news is mostly neutral, focusing on real-time updates and market trends.
Jarvis, can you schedule at 9 o'clock every weekday the Bitcoin price summary?
Okay, I'll give you the scheduled task every weekday at 9:00 a.m.